Hello viewers. Now we are going to discuss the various concepts regarding to the costs, which are included in the externalities. That externalities will lead to the market failure in the market. That's why we have to learn. So what are the different types of cost in the which are going to the related to the pollution or related to the environment. So that's why as a economist, as a teacher of the economics, we should know the fundamental things of the marginal social cost, marginal private cost, and marginal external cost, marginal social benefit, and marginal private cost. Okay, some space that is C is missing in the marginal private cost. Okay, so these are all are the various five various concepts are included in the externalities. So first one is the marginal social cost. Marginal social cost is the change in society's total cost. What is the marginal social cost? It is the change in society's total cost brought about by the production of an additional unit of a good or service. It includes both marginal private cost and marginal external cost. For example, suppose it cost a producer 50 crores to produce an additional unit of a good. Suppose that when the additional unit is produced, pollution is emitted which causes 25 crore worth of damage to the paint on your car. So the marginal social cost of production is the producer's cost plus the external cost is equal to 75 crores. So what is the marginal social cost? Is equal to marginal private cost plus marginal external cost. Private cost means whatever the producer is spending amount on money for additional unit of production. External cost means the when the consumer is buying fuel for his car, that paying for only the production of the fuel. Okay, if compulsory the fuel is need to running the car, that's why I have purchased the fuel. But after the consuming the fuel, how we can consume, how we can operating the car, how that burning fuel is impacted on the environment. So such as air pollution created by the car drivers and car owners who are purchased the car with fuel. So that is the external cost. That external cost is 25 crores and MPC marginal production cost is 50 crores, means additional cost for the production. So additional unit of production is 50 crores plus that additional 50 crores production is going to be a negative impact on the environment which creates the pollution. That's why how much 25 crores, that is the MEC marginal external cost. So that's why totally 75 crores the marginal cost of production is producer's cost plus is the external cost are 75 crores. So totally 75 crores of rupees is spending in the society. That is the marginal social cost for the production. Marginal private cost, it is a change in the producer's total cost brought about by the production by an additional unit of a good or service. It is also known as marginal cost of production. For example, if production cost rise from 1000 crores worth of production to 1050 crores of worth, as one more unit of a good is produced, the marginal private cost is 50 crores. So what is the marginal private cost? It is the cost, it is cost of additional unit of a good or service. It is also called as a marginal cost of production. Okay, So marginal, it is the additional cost for the production. Whatever, if in example we have the 1000 crores of worth of amount production is produced by the company or industry, that is initial. If they wanted to produce the additional output, that is increased to 50 crores worth of amount, 1000 to 1050 crores worth of more unit is going to the increased. So the private cost plus external cost is social cost. So if external cost increase to zero, then private cost is less than the social cost. So then society tends to price the good or service too low and produces or consumes too much of the good or service. So private cost plus external cost. If external cost is greater than zero, means that environmental cost is greater than zero. So that means the air pollution, sound pollution, noise pollution, these are all pollution is going to the increased. The environmental degradation we can see. That's why external cost is going to the increased. So then private cost, the additional whatever the cost on additional unit of production is decreased is less than the social cost. Means the social cost is going to increase due to the environmental degradation by the additional unit of production. Marginal external cost, it is the change in the cost to parties other than the producer or buyer of a good or service due to the production of an additional unit of the good or services. For example, suppose it cost the producer 50 crores to produce another unit of a good. Suppose this production result in pollution which causes 60 crores worth of damage to another company's plants. The marginal external cost is 60 crores. So external cost means whenever the 50 crores additional unit of food is produced, maybe 50 crores of additional unit of production is going to be impacted on the above the 50 crores. 60 crores of worth of environment is going to be damaged. So that is the external cost, means nothing but the environmental cost. It is the environmentally impacted on the production due to the overproduction. Marginal social benefit, it is the change the benefits associated with the consumption of an additional unit of a good or service. It is measured by the amount people are willing to pay for additional unit of a good or service. For example, suppose you are currently consuming 2 slices of pizza per day. Assume you would be willing to pay 100 rupees to consume a third slice of pizza per day. 100 represent the marginal social benefit of the third or additional slice of pie. If we can always buy the 2 slice, but additional slice 100 per pizza is 100 rupees. If we not we if we could not buy the additional pizza, compulsory we get the we save the 100 rupees. There the 100 rupees of benefit. So it is the benefit associated to consumption. It is measured by an amount people are willing to pay for additional unit of a good or service. Marginal private benefit, when the individual consumers of a particular good enjoyed by benefits does not take into account any external benefits or cost arising from a goods consumption. The increase in benefit obtained from the consumption or production of one additional unit received by the entity consuming or producing the product. Marginal if additional unit of production is going to the benefited to the additional going to the meet to the requirements of the peoples. So maybe the benefits enjoyed by the individual consumers from the particular commodity. Thanks for watching the video.